संसद का रुख करते हैं यहाँ पर एक बार फिर कोचिंग सेंटर हादसे का मसला उठता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। जबरदस्त हंगामा वहां पर हो रहा है। राज्यसभा में आपको बता दें कि कोचिंग
you should bring immediately.
Yes, exactly. So, Sanjay, 1 second. I am not opening up the discussion for one reason. Otherwise, I'll give you time. Because since Mr. Khadge has taken a view that he does not agree to 267, then when I have a discussion today, you can speak out. इसीलिए बोलेंगे। नहीं, मेरा ये है। नहीं, 1 second, don't look at them. Sanjay, look at me. I give you permission. You don't get permission from them. Look here. ठीक है,
30 सेकंड
संजय,
30 सेकंड।
संजय एक बात सुनना। माननीय खड़गे जी ने जब मैंने ये राय मांगी एंड मैं उनका गाइडेंस चाहता था, क्योंकि मेरा स्पष्ट मत है और ये मत इसलिए है कि मेरे से पहले जो इस कुर्सी पर विद्वान व्यक्ति बैठते थे, उन्होंने इस प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की थी कि हाउस को एडजर्न करने के लिए कम से कम मेन पार्टीज का एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए और औरों की राय लेनी चाहिए। जब एक राय आ गई है तो 267 एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए बैठ जाइए, इसलिए कह रहा हूं। और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, I have indicated on several occasions that 267 has to be consensus of the House. It was there on demonetization. Consensus of the House was there. Since it is not in this case, I will confer with the leaders whether I take recourse to rules 176 or rule 180, and that I will confer with them at the earliest occasion after we are few minutes in the 0 hour, and I will request the leaders to spare time for their guidance to me in my chamber. Honorable members, Mr. Khadge, I decide to settle in chamber. Earlier also you have taken a view, and chamber is used for conference with leaders of the opposition. It is a right place where discussion should take place. No, sir, I don't discuss in the House. House time is valuable. Which rule I go for? I am seeking. Please, sir. Honorable members. Sir, nothing will go on record, sir. Nothing, sir. Sir. You wanted to discuss? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. I leave it to the wisdom of the, 1 second. I leave it to the wisdom of the honorable leader of the opposition, whether he want discussion today or not, 1. And number 2, would he want a discussion under Rule 176, short duration discussion, or a calling attention motion under Rule 180? Ultimately, I'll take a call.
On meet.
Please, hear the leader of the opposition.
Yes,
on
meet 167 you take. 267 you take. Meet Manipur.
Okay.
No,
Sir, we are not discussing that. It is not before me. Sir, it is not before me. Okay, I'll take those of the leaders who agree to help me out and agree to my request to see me in chamber may see me at all right. Finding the stance of the main opposition party from the chair, realizing the gravity of the issue, seriousness of it, the impact it has on us, we need a discussion, and the discussion will be under Rule 176 and will happen today. If you want by a calling attention motion, that option I give, and I will discuss with the leaders on this. Please.
We should include NEET also. We should include coaching.
Mr. Jairam, nothing will go on record. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, this This is a very, very important issue, and I would urge. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members, as per guidelines. One second. Honorable members, as per guidelines. Honorable members, Sudhanshu, please.
कोचिंग का मुद्दा उठा है राज्यसभा में, जहां पर आपने सुना सभापति साफ तौर पर कह रहे हैं कि जिस नियम की यहां पर मांग की जा रही है चर्चा के लिए विपक्ष, उसको हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते, वो भी अपने नियमों का हवाला